gorgeous smoked salmon fillet ready for the table. Now, as pretty as this is, let's dress it up and make it even prettier. I've cut up some fruit here, some star fruit. And if you don't find star fruit in season, which is often the case, just get a little star cutter and a pear, and you have instant star fruit. Some blueberries for color, some lemon, the sides. Fruit adds just the right note to smoked salmon. You can do it with herbs, cut citrus, little key lime. Very, very cute. Some raspberries for color. And finish it off. I trimmed a few lemon leaves. You're done. Beautiful smoked salmon for the table. Now, I like cream cheese and crackers as much as the next guy with my smoked salmon, but why not get a little more creative? Try it on some daikon radish or Asian pear, on a beautiful endive or savory shortbread. So you see, there's a lot you can do with smoked salmon and a little imagination. So go on, get creative.